He is my teacher. He is my teacher. He is my teacher. I am sad. I am sad. I am sad. He is studying. He is studying. He is studying. Today we learn use of is, am and are positive sentences. She is hungry. She is hungry. She is hungry. He is studying. He is studying. He is studying. We are thankful. We are thankful. We are thankful. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. We are scared. We are scared. We are scared. We are late. We are late. We are late. You are tall. You are tall. You are tall. We are smart. We are smart. We are smart. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. I am sad. I am sad. I am sad. He is busy. He is busy. He is busy. It is a lie. It is a lie. It is a lie. It is a great idea. It is a great idea. It is a great idea. I am terribly hungry. I am terribly hungry. I am terribly hungry. We are a family. We are a family. We are a family. They are jumping rope. They are jumping rope. They are jumping rope. He is my teacher. He is My teacher. He is my teacher. I am playing soccer. I am playing soccer. I am playing soccer. He is in the park. He is in the park. He is in the park. Now we read negative sentences. She is not alone. She is not alone. She is not alone. We are not going. We are not going. We are not going. I am not tired. I am not tired. I am not tired. They are not here. They are not here. They are not here. I am not doing my homework. I am not doing my homework. I am not doing my homework. She is not my sister. She is not my sister. She is not my sister. I am not joking. I am not joking. I am not joking. I am not your friend. I am not your friend. I am not your friend. It is not my fault. It is not my fault. It is not my fault. It is not working. It is not working. It is not working. You are not late. You are not late. You are not late. We are not ready. We are not ready. We are not ready. She is not selfish. She is not selfish. She is not selfish. He is not snoring. He is not snoring. He is not snoring. It is not your turn. It is not your turn. It is not your turn. Now we read interrogative sentences of is, am, and are. Is it raining? Is it raining? Is it raining? Am I late? Am I late? Am I late? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Is she here? Is she here? Is she here? Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Is it a joke? Is it a joke? Is it a joke? Are birds chirping? Are birds chirping? Are birds chirping? Am I making sense? Am I making sense? Am I making sense? Are we late? Are we late? Are we late? Is the door closed? Is the door closed? Is the door closed? Is she okay? Is she okay? Is she okay? Am I invited? Am I invited? Am I invited? Am I studying? Am I studying? Am I studying? Am I going to the zoo? Am I going to the zoo? Am I going to the zoo?